Homemade organic pesticide. You can see how my Knoll coal plantation was damaged by aphids. Low to moderate numbers of leaf-feeding aphids aren't usually damaging in gardens or on trees. However, large populations can turn leaves yellow and stunt shoots. Aphids can also produce large quantities of a sticky exudate known as honeydew, which often turns black with the growth of a sooty mold fungus. Today I am going to show you a natural pesticide that you can make at home. We need ginger and garlic, strainer, water, any kind of grinder, bottle with cap, knife and spray bottle. Now take the mortar and grind the ginger and garlic well. After grinding well, add water to it and mix well. Then squeeze the juice from the mixture through a strainer and pour it into the bottle and use it whenever you want. It is best to mix this solution with water and apply it to your crops using a spray bottle. You can use this liquid for any pest on any crop like aphids, mites. I use this liquid in this way for aphids in my plantation. Pesticide damage can be avoided by spraying well on the top and bottom sides of each leaf and the ground layer next to the crop. It is better to use in the morning and evening. Can be used once every 2 days if the pest population is high and once a week if the population is low. Thanks for watching my video.